Welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to make a video about a particular issue with the first generation PS5s. This particular issue is an overheating problem that only happens when you're playing PS5 games on a PS5. You will not see this problem if you're playing a PS4 game on a PS5. Now, the problem consists of the following. When you start playing the game, the system starts spinning the fan really fast, which you can hear, and there's going to be a 2-second message on the screen that says that the system is overheating, and it goes ahead and shuts itself off. Now, the first thing that I tell all my customers is, you didn't do anything with the system, this is not your fault, this is just a manufacturer's glitch. So, how do we fix this? Very simple. Unfortunately, the solution is kind of vague, because there's no components that need to be replaced. Like I said previously, this is a manufacturer's issue, which hopefully they've resolved already. If that's not the case, however, I do have some tips. So, if you have this problem of overheating with the PS5 sitting vertically like this, the first thing that I want you to try is lay it horizontally on one surface and test it. Try to play a game, see if the game works. If it works on this particular side, you can just leave it like this and play it like this until hopefully a Sony update will fix the problem. Now, if it doesn't work, I would like you to flip it over and try it on the other side. Usually, I see that this particular way fixes it somehow. If, however, it doesn't work for you, the last tip that I have is to take the system apart and put it back together. By taking it apart, I mean actually opening the whole system, taking out the logic board and putting it back together. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, I suggest to take it somewhere and just attempt it, because it might work. If it doesn't work, unfortunately, I don't have any more tips. There's not much as far as components that can be replaced to fix this particular issue, to my knowledge. So, if you like this video, if any of my tips helped you, please give a like to the video. I will be posting more videos on some other problems that occur to the PS5. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care.